The duck is finished cooking in approximately 50 minutes. So juicy. The meat looks incredibly succulent and tempting. I honestly can't resist taking a bite. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chef Andrew. Ever wondered how to cook a duck? Today, I'm going to show you how to roast a Cantonese roast duck at home. In my past culinary experience, I've cooked many types of roast. Roast beef, roast chicken, roast lamb, roast pork. But I had never attempted to roast a duck. For this endeavor, I went to one of my respected and trusted friends to learn how to roast a proper Cantonese roast duck. By combining his secret recipe with my own skills and experience, I came up with this stunning recipe. I've also converted the measurements for easier use at home. I specially bought a large duck to present this recipe to you, and I'm very excited to see the final result. So let's get started. The duck weighs about 2,400 grams. You can choose a smaller duck to suit your needs, or cut it in half if necessary. First, clean the duck thoroughly. Remove the intestines, gizzard, excess fat, wingtips, and duck feet. Carefully remove any extra skin and fat from the rear opening. Now let's prepare the dry rub. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, and 2 teaspoons of Chinese 5-spice powder. Mix everything well and set aside. Next, prepare the marinade. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 1 teaspoon of bean sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 cube of fermented red bean curd, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Mix everything well and set aside. We will now season the duck. Rub the dry spice mixture inside the duck cavity. Then apply the marinade inside the cavity as well. Stuff a few pieces of scallions and ginger inside the duck. Sew up the abdominal cavity using a needle or bamboo skewer. This helps retain the juices and moisture during roasting. Now we are going to prepare the duck skin. Prepare a wok of hot water, large enough to cover about 2/3 of the duck, and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Next, pour boiling water over the duck's body. This tightens the skin. Do not overdo it. Once the skin contracts, remove the duck and dry it thoroughly. Now let's prepare the glaze. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of red vinegar, 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of rice wine, 1 teaspoon of maltose syrup. Now place the bowl in a pot of hot water to dissolve everything together. After the duck has dried on a rack for about 30 minutes, brush the glaze evenly over the skin. Repeat the brushing several times. The vinegar helps crisp the skin, while the maltose gives the duck a beautiful color. Hi guys, this is my preparation for my roast duck tonight. My first attempt. And yeah, doing your first attempt took like nearly 2 hours just to prep this duck, and also like to get rid of the feathers and all that stuff. Those tiny feathers, I use a little blowtorch just to burn it up a bit. So yeah, it's not as easy as chicken, guys, to pull out those duck feather hairs. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna pop it in the fridge to air dry it overnight before we roast it. I'm going to put it way on top because I think there's like a little fan blowing on it, so yeah, it will air dry on top of the fridge. Okay, until tomorrow. The next day it's time to roast the duck. The next day the duck is completely air dried. Let it rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes before roasting. If your oven isn't large enough, you can discard the neck or cut the duck in half. Use foil to cover thinner areas to prevent over browning. Roast at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. First 200 degrees for 30 minutes. And my oven also has a fan, so I switched on the oven fan as well. Let's put this in. And also you can see the rack on my oven is at the lowest. Not on the lowest, but on the first slit. Because I don't want it to be elevated too high to the filament, or else it burns the duck. So now we're just going to oven this for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're going to flip the duck around and oven it for another 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Flip the duck, then lower it to 180 degrees for another 20 minutes. Total roasting time is 50 minutes. Final result. "50 minutes later, looking at all that juice, the skin is crispy and the meat is tender and succulent. The duck juices also make an excellent dipping sauce. Rich flavor, crispy skin, and juicy meat. Exactly what a Cantonese roast duck should be.
好香啊，隻手。洋葱。
I'm very happy with the end result. To wrap up, choose a smaller duck if your oven is limited in size. You can skip the air pump if needed. It just improves appearance. That's it for today's sharing. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click the little bell to get notifications on future updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.